Today we're going to talk about psychology. Psychology is an academic and applied discipline that involves the scientific study of mental functions and behaviors. Psychology has the immediate goal of understanding individuals and groups by both establishing and generalized principles and researching specific cases, and by many accounts, it ultimately aims to benefit society. Yes, you can catch a bad mood on Facebook. After analyzing 1 billion anonymous status updates among more than 1 million Facebook users between 2009 and 2012, researchers report that feelings can be highly contagious in the virtual world. Online networks can spread emotions just like the real world, said lead researcher James Fowler, professor of political science and medical genetics at the University of California, San Diego. For every one happy post you write, it causes friends in other cities to write an additional 1 or 2 happy posts, he said. A negative post spawns about 1 additional negative post among friends. Our second article is about sleep disturbance. Maybe it's daylight savings time. Sleep problems from some after clocks were moved forward an hour Sunday morning on daylight savings time because many people have difficulty changing their body clocks. People's internal clocks tend to be programmed for longer than a 24-hour day and run a bit behind the time-shown clocks.
So to speak, negative effects of joining a gang last long after gang membership ends. University of Washington's researchers have found that joining a gang in adolescence has significant consequences in adulthood beyond criminal behavior even after a person leaves the gang. The research is published in the American Journal of Public Health. It turns out that, like violence, gang membership is as much a public health problem as a criminal justice problem, said Carl Hill, study co-author and research associate professor in the School of Social Work. Joining a gang in the teens had enduring consequences on health and well-being.
Patients with schizophrenia have impaired ability to imitate. A team of neuroscientists at the Vanderbilt University strengthened the theory that an impaired ability to imitate may underline the profound and enduring difficulty with social interactions that characterize schizophrenia. In a paper published online March 14, 2014 by the American Journal of Psychiatry, the researchers report that when patients with schizophrenia were asked to imitate simple hand movements, their brains exhibited abnormal brain activity in areas associated with the ability to imitate.
Last this week, reducing anxiety with a smartphone app. Playing a science-based mobile game app for 25 minutes can reduce anxiety in stressed individuals, according to research published in Clinical Psychological Science. The study suggested gamifying a scientifically supported intervention could offer measurable mental health and behavioral benefits for people with relatively high levels of anxiety. For this week, even in very different cultures, no one likes a copycat. Even very young children understand what it means to steal a physical object. It appears to take them another couple of years to understand what it means to steal an idea. University of Washington psychologist Christina Olson and colleagues from Yale and the University of Pennsylvania discovered that preschoolers often don't view a copycat negatively, but they do by the ages of 5 or 6, and that holds true even across cultures that typically view intellectual property rights in different ways.